Have you ever wondered what happens to your dreams once they've fluttered away into the ether? Do they simply disappear, or do they journey to a realm beyond our reach? Imagine a kingdom, nestled amidst ancient forests and rolling hills, where a young girl named Seraphina resides. Known for her kindness and sparkling curiosity, she stumbles upon a mystical doorway on a moonlit evening, stepping into an ethereal realm of dreams. Within this realm, she discovers the Moonlit Mosaic, an awe-inspiring palace of crystalline fragments reflecting myriad dreams. At its heart, she meets Luna, the guardian of dreams, who explains a shadowy force threatens this haven. And so begins Seraphina's quest to restore balance, armed with a magical lantern filled with starlight. Her journey through the dream realm is filled with encounters with dreamlike creatures, from the Pegasus of prosperity to the whispering willows of wisdom. Each interaction weaves a fragment of dreams into her lantern, gradually transforming the realm into a vibrant, fragrant landscape of blooming possibilities. Despite the challenges that test her courage and kindness, Seraphina confronts the Nightmare Weaver, a figure that thrives on fear and doubt. Yet with her lantern's light and her heart's strength, she banishes the darkness, restoring the Moonlit Mosaic to its former glory. Upon her return to her kingdom, Seraphina carries the dreams and lessons of the dream realm with her. As a token of gratitude, the moon bestows upon her a shimmering pendant, a symbol of her courage and the magic within every dream. Thus, Seraphina's tale and her journey with the Moonlit Mosaic become a whispered legend, inspiring generations to believe in the enchantment of dreams and the magic that can be found, even in the darkest corners of the night. This tale serves as a reminder of the power of dreams and the potential they hold. It tells of a young girl's journey that not only transformed a realm, but also her kingdom, as she returned armed with wisdom, courage, and a newfound understanding of the magic within dreams. In the end, Seraphina's journey is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of dreams and the impact they can have on not just one person, but an entire kingdom.